a centered container. So the instructions are create a div with a red background and place it in the center of the window. Okay, so when I run my code, obviously nothing's going to come up because there's nothing in the body. It's just my standard boilerplate template. It's my template. It's just a default template that we always use. Okay, and what is this about? This looks like some CSS, so I'm going to place it over here. And it just says it works in every background. You put the margin 0 auto, and we'll play around with it later to see how this works, okay? Um, Index. Let's create a div. Div. And what are we going to call it? We're going to give it a class, because here, this is how we set the class name, center div. Class equals center div. And let's just say middle, just so we know where it is. If we run their code, there it is in the middle. Now, what makes it go into the middle? Is it the width of 100 pixels? No, it's not. Is it the margin? Let's say I get rid of this margin. Nope. Margin will still be 0. This auto for margin is how you make something in the center of its container. When I say container, I'm talking about the container of the div. What's the container of the div? Well, body contains div, so body is the container. So we set it to the middle of the body. As we adjust it, it stays in the middle of the page. All right. So now, let us make the background red. How do we make the background red? Well, we just give it another attribute. Background color red. And we run it. And now it's red and centered in the middle. Okay, and that's how you do 3.6.